Hi, welcome to my channel. It's me, and today we're going to make a silly slime volcano. This is a fun science experiment that you can do at home with just a few simple ingredients. The best part is it's fluffy like an actual volcano, and it's so satisfying to squeeze and play with. Let's get started. First, you will need 2 ingredients. You will need 1 cup of white school glue and 1/2 cup of water. If you want different colored slime, then you can use clear school glue. Just know that no matter what color glue you use, the slime will always turn out white. Then add your food coloring of choice. I'm using red and yellow for this volcano. Add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This is going to help the slime keep its shape and be fluffy. Now let's mix everything together until it's completely combined. Once it's all mixed together, it's time to knead the slime. Just like when you're making bread, you need to work the dough until it's smooth and stretchy. You can do this on a lightly floured surface, or you can just use your hands. I like to add a little bit of extra flour, just a couple of sprinkles, and then work it in until the slime starts to form. Once it's smooth and stretchy, then you know it's ready to go. Now it's time to build our volcano. Start by rolling out a large circle. This is going to be the base of our volcano. Then roll up a smaller circle and place it on top of the first one. Repeat this step a few times, and then once you have a small mound, you can flatten it out to make it look more like a volcano. Now add in some of the red and yellow slime to make the volcano even more colorful, and smooth it out so that it looks nice and neat. To make the lava, start by rolling out a small circle. Then add a little bit of water to the center of the circle. Roll it back up, and then flatten it out. Repeat this a few times, and then add a little bit of water to the end of the log. Roll it up one more time, and then you're done. Now add the lava to the top of the volcano, and you're all set. This slime volcano is so much fun to play with. It's fluffy and bouncy, just like an actual volcano. The lava is also really fun to squeeze and play with. It's so satisfying to watch it squish and move around. This is definitely one of my favorite slime recipes yet. It's so easy to make, and the end result is so worth it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun slime videos. Thanks for watching.